Hi folks, welcome back to Model Behavior by Box, where we test the latest AI models on enterprise data. My name is Sidharth, I'm a product manager here at Box, and today we're testing Claude Opus 4.6, Anthropic's latest AI model. We ran a ton of evaluations here at Box, and we saw that Opus 4.6 got better in a couple of use cases and across a bunch of industries. Today, we're going to highlight two specific use cases: report drafting from data and due diligence. And so the example I'm looking at here is in the public sector industry. It's a budget planning report for the state of Kentucky. We can take a second to actually look at the data itself. It's pretty text dense. You can see there's numbers, there's tables, handwriting, quite a few different types of formatting. And so Opus 4.6 will have to reason through all of this data. The question I'm going to first ask flexes that report drafting from data muscle. We're asking for a 3-paragraph executive summary of the report, and then a deep dive into 2 of the funds. So Opus 4.6 is giving us an answer very, very quickly, streaming back the answer within Box AI. The answer is done, and we can actually look at the model's output. It starts off with 1 paragraph of just an overall executive summary, and the second 2 paragraphs focus on those 2 funds I asked for. What's interesting is it starts both of those paragraphs off with just extracting some of the financial details, and then it goes on to give a bit of an analysis on the details behind those numbers. So I think that's really interesting. The second example we'll focus on is flexing that due diligence muscle. And so what I'm asking for is a verification of the consistency for one of the funds across 5 years, comparing a letter and a memo. Opus 4.6 is obviously very quick with the answer again. And looking at the output, we can see it starts off with a table with 5 rows. These 5 rows are for the 5 different years, and we see the comparison between the letter and the memo. And then secondly, it gives us the verification and the details for why they're consistent. And so what are we seeing here with this example? We're seeing that Opus 4.6 is really good at these critical enterprise use cases. Report drafting from data and due diligence are things that knowledge workers do in their day-to-day work. And so Opus 4.6 improving in this is really transformative for enterprises. And so excited to see what else Anthropic can put out here. Until next time.